How to pay Wyndham credit card. To pay your Wyndham credit card, follow these steps. To pay your Wyndham credit card bill, you have several options. Wyndham credit cards are typically issued by Barclays, so you will manage payments through their systems. Visit the Barclays website or download the Barclays app. Use your login credentials to access your account securely. Locate the payments or make a payment option on the account dashboard. Choose your preferred payment method, such as using a linked bank account. Enter the payment amount you wish to make towards your balance. Specify the payment date and verify the bank account details for the transfer. Review all the payment details to ensure accuracy before submission. Confirm and submit the payment, and keep the receipt for your records. Wait for confirmation via email or text that your payment was processed. Check your account balance after a few days to confirm the payment was applied. Thanks for watching.